Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Talia, and this is my Minecraft modding tutorial series. Yay! Cheers! So last time we went and we found a player event, which we're going to use, and I can tell you right now we're going to have an issue, but I won't tell you what it is. Shh! Anyway, we're going to have an issue, but for right now, what we're going to do is we're going to make an event, this player event, and we're going to test that we've built it correctly by making it print something in the console down here. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can make Eclipse get bigger. It does not work. I'll work on that for next time, because we're gonna be coding, and I don't want you to not be able to see it. But hopefully you can see the text, and if not, I'll re-record later or something. I don't know. Anywho, so we have our mod, and this is our main mod class, and this initiates the mod, and it has something called an event handler for pre-initialization, and all that does right now is get a mod log, which is probably a good thing to do. So we're just gonna leave that there and ignore it for right now, and hopefully nothing bad happens. But we need our own event handler, so we're going to make a whole class for that, because I don't really want to corrupt, like I want to keep this first class for the make the mod appear in the game stuff. And I want a separate class for do stuff in the mod. Does that make sense? Put the mod in the game, do stuff in the game. Two different classes. I hope my logic makes sense and is not just ridiculous. It is probably ridiculous, but whatever. So we're going to go and we're going to click on our main package, com.tswhite.autopath, and we're going to right click or control click if you do not have a happy mouse like I do, and we're going to go to new, and we're going to put in a new class. And we are going to call this class the event handler. That'll probably be confusing. By the way, I did not go look at my already finished code, so we're probably going to make a lot of mistakes in here and go back, and it may not look like the original code, and that's kind of okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of trying to make the same mistakes that I did, because I learned a lot from them, so maybe we'll make some new ones too. I don't know, but I didn't go cheat, so we'll probably have to go Google stuff too, about how to do certain things, right? Yeah. Speaking of, right now, what we need to do is we're going to need to tell the mod that we're adding events. No, we're going to tell Minecraft or Forge. We're going to tell the whole game that we're adding events. And we do that by doing something event registry handler. That's probably wrong. Let me go look. So when you type something in and you have these little red things here, the little underline, if you hover over it, it'll tell you, it'll give you a little list of how to fix the problem. Means you have a problem, it's like a spelling error, and it'll give you options to fix it, and neither of those is the one that I want, so that's the wrong thing. So we're going to go Google how to do this. Can I have a window, please, Chrome? Thank you. Forge event. Now, here we go. Okay, and I love you, Forge, but your documentation is kind of effective if you already know what you're doing. Ineffective if you have no idea what you're doing. So, we are looking for ooh, event bus subscriber. That's what we're doing. And how I figured out this was kind of right, wrong, or whatever, long story and trial and error and asking lots of questions on the forum, basically. So this is event bus subscriber. And we hover over it and see it has new things. And the thing we're going to do is we're going to import event bus subscriber from net.minecraftforge.fml.common.mod. But mostly we just need to make sure that it's Minecraft Forge and not some other weird thing. So we're going to click on that, and it automatically adds the import for us, so we don't have to worry about doing that. And it's beautiful and wonderful, and we love it. And we're going to hit save, and we're good. And so inside of these parentheses, this and this, we are going to add, we're going to subscribe an event with another annotation. So at subscribe event, and our thing, our do stuff is going to be under that. Anyway, so let's see. Okay, so basically we're doing this bit here. Okay, and so we're going to do, actually, you know what, I'm just going to copy that and paste it, and hopefully that'll work out okay. Just this bit. Right? Okay, and this one calls a different kind of event, entity item pickup event. And we need to import this thing, import subscribe event, but we don't actually want the entity item pickup event. Actually, let's just try it. So we gotta import that too, and we can save. So this should do. By the way, if you want to add a comment, it's 2 slashes under your question mark slashes, not the other slashes. So this is, I believe, when an entity picks up an item. So, and then this system out print line item picked up is actually going to appear down here in our console, not in the actual game. So let's see if this works, just to make sure we have everything correct. I have no idea if this is actually correct. I'm pretty sure, but I don't actually know. All right, we didn't actually create a world. Right, and see down here you can see how long it takes to make a world. Ah! Cool. Wow, that's really dark. Option. Really bright. Cool. Cool. Okay, so right. So our world is working. Let's go over here into the grass sets. That seems like more fun. So to test our event, what we need is we need something that we can drop. So we're going to use this and we're going to throw it and, oh, did that work? That did not work. It's supposed to do something down here. Well, it's supposed to write something down here when I pick up an item. Maybe it's just not a block. Maybe it's like an item. So, nope, not working at all. Oh my god. So no, we did this wrong. I don't remember how to do this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Nope. That's super helpful, isn't it? Okay. Feel like I'm totally missing something. So I'm gonna go cheat and go look at my other code. So that's all good. We're gonna switch over to this one. Yeah. This is kind of how Forge modding goes. You try to do a thing based on the Forge documentation, and it's like, no, that's not a thing. Oh gosh, right. I moved it so it's somewhere else. It's in my very messy, clear desktop. Okay, AutoPaths, Eclipse, open. Boy. Yep. Copy this thing. Does not work. Maybe I imported the wrong thing. Oh, shush. Right. I can't actually do that. Well, I'm failing at this miserably because yep. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording for a minute while I figure this out.